If you have land and are planning to build, you may be comparing between three different options: a traditional site-built home, a modular home, or a manufactured home, which is sometimes called a mobile home. Each option has its place, but for rural and suburban landowners who are looking for flexibility, durability, and long-term value, a site-built home often provides some important advantages. The first is customization. Factory-built homes are constructed in sections using predetermined designs, dimensions, and production methods. Some personalization may be available, but your choices may be limited by what the factory is designed to produce. A site-built home is constructed on your property. That gives you more flexibility to select a plan that fits your family and personalize the layout, exterior, features, and finishes. At United Built Homes, customers can explore our plans using HiArc, make selections, and see many of their changes in an interactive 3D model before construction begins. The second advantage is that the home can be designed around the property. Not every piece of land is the same. Soil conditions, drainage, slope, access, wind requirements, flood considerations, utilities, and local codes can all affect construction. A site-built home allows the builder to evaluate the land and determine the appropriate foundation and construction approach for that specific property. Site-built construction can also provide stronger long-term real estate alignment. A permanently constructed home that is built to local residential codes is generally evaluated alongside other traditional homes in the area. That can matter when the property is appraised, refinanced, insured, or eventually sold. A well-built site-built home can also be updated, expanded, or remodeled over time as the owner's needs change. Financing is another important consideration. Traditional custom construction may also require a separate construction loan, draw inspections, interest payments during construction, and a second closing to convert the loan into permanent financing. United Built Homes takes a different approach. Qualified landowners receive one fixed price contract and one 30-year mortgage. There is no separate construction loan, and there is no second closing after the home is completed. Because the price is established before construction begins, customers also avoid much of the uncertainty that can come with a cost-plus building agreement. Modular and manufactured homes can be practical choices for some buyers. But if you want a permanent home that can be personalized for your family, adapted to your land, and positioned for long-term value, a site-built home may be the better investment. Start building your dream home today at ubh.com.